Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by SmokinSteve's today. Today we're going to be fixing up some smashed butter burgers out on the griddle on the Bullseye. I just got this griddle not too long ago for the Bullseye and I've been having a ball with it. And latest craze, smash burgers. We're going to be doing some smash burgers today. Smashed butter burgers. So I'm really looking forward to that. And I want to give a big shout out and thank you to everybody that's been subscribing to the channel and leaving their comments and whatnot. Really love seeing those comments. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and ring that bell. And that way you'll get notifications whenever I come out with a new video. And you can watch it or not watch it, but you know, at least you'll be notified. I got a good cook coming up here. The wife here a few days ago fixed up some shrimp on the stove, and that was the best shrimp I've ever had. And I told the wife, I said, hey, we can do that out there on the new griddle that we got for that Bullseye. So we got that coming up. We're gonna fix that up, and that was some of the best grilled shrimp I've ever had. And be watching for that. But and also I got a facelift coming up on this Bullseye that you're going to want to see. I'm really looking forward to that and doing a review on it, and I'm excited about it. So be looking for that. But anyway, let's get started on these smash burgers and get it all prepped up. Okay, we got our ground beef here. It's kind of all laid out here. Roughly a pound. We had bought a bunch of ground beef and divided it up and had it frozen. And it's been thawing out here, and it's thawed out now. But kind of got it spread out here. I'm going to go ahead and put my seasoning on. And now you can season it out there on the grill. But I'm going to be busy out there smashing the burgers and you know, watching the burgers and stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and season it right here. So I'm going to be using this Montreal steak seasoning. So we're just going to go ahead and sprinkle some of that on. You don't want to get real carried away, but give it a kind of a generous coat. And then we're going to follow that up with some Traeger coffee rub. I love this combination on beef, whether it be steaks or hamburgers or whatever. I just love this combination. So we're going to put a little bit of that on there. Then what we're going to do is form small balls to take out there on the griddle and get them smashed out there so we can get to cooking. So I got half a cup here, right here. So we're going to put enough beef in here to fill up the half a cup. Okay, that's not too bad right there. And what we're going to do is just loosely form these balls. We don't want to get them so compressed that we can't flatten them out there on the grill. So just loosely form that. And we're going to do that with all this ground beef here. Just get us some balls formed up. We should wind up with maybe 4 or 5 balls. We'll see here when we're done. But I'm going to continue this process and loosely get those packed and formed up. Okay, here's what we wound up with. We came up with 5 balls. Now the last ball was a little bit smaller than the other 4, so I just took a little bit from the other 4 and added to that 5th one and made them all about the same size. And what we're going to be smashing those burgers with today is this press, this burger press that I bought. Its brand name on it is War Modern. So we're going to be using that to press those guys out and give us a whirl. See how it works out. So I'm going to go get that Bullseye griddle fired up and get that thing heated up, and we're gonna get to cooking. Okay, we're out here at the Bullseye, and here's a look at our griddle inside here. So let's go ahead and get this thing fired up. Get the power turned on, and last cook was set at 300. So we're going to go ahead and raise that set point up to 500. Right there. And we're going to set the temp display on actual temperature, and it shows the grill temperature right now at 99 degrees. So we're going to let this thing get heated up, and then we'll be putting those smash burgers on. And here's a look at our pellets inside here, and those are Bear Mountain Gourmet Blend. So that's what we're cooking with today. So let's just wait and let this thing get heated up. Okay, Bullseye just reached 500, so we're going to go ahead and check this griddle temperature and see how hot it is. About 285, 290. It's a little hotter as we pan to the left here. We're going to go ahead and let this thing get a little bit hotter, and then we'll be throwing those burgers on. Okay, I just checked that griddle temperature, and it's about 400 degrees. So what we're going to do is take us a little butter, put some butter on this griddle, then we're going to be throwing our burgers down right on that butter. So let's throw them all on there. We're going to go ahead and flatten these guys out. I don't know whether you can hear that sizzle or not, but that's what you want. Just flatten those guys out a little bit, hold it down. And I don't know whether you can see it or not, but that first one's getting brown around the edges already. And as soon as they get brown or a little bit black, we want to start flipping those. Shouldn't take long at all. Go ahead and get this lid closed for a minute or two. We'll be checking on them. Okay, we're going to go ahead and give these guys a flip. Hotter back in here, so 10 burgers back in there. That's a piece of cheese on a couple of those. A little butter over here for buns. Get those buns brown a little bit. check on it here in a minute. Okay guys, I took those buns off there a minute ago, and they're looking good. I'm going to go ahead and take these burgers up and shut this grill down. We'll be doing a taste test here in a minute. Okay, got these smash burgers pulled inside here. They're looking good, smelling good. Got cheese on a couple of them. So we're gonna get these sandwiches made up, and I'm gonna do a taste test. You don't wanna miss that. Okay, I got this burger all made up here, right here. Got 2 layers of burger, a little bit of onion, a little bit of mayo. If you want, you can add your lettuce, your tomato, your mustard, your relish, your pickles, whatever you want. But me, I want to taste that meat, so I don't want a whole lot of stuff on there. So here we go. We're going in. If I can get my mouth around this thing. Yum, yum. Mmm. Delicious. Oh my. That's really good. Smash burgers on the Bullseye griddle. It's gonna be happening around here a lot. It's really good. Guys, give this a whirl. Give it a try. Give me a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe. And I hope to see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.